Alright, it's gonna put these little pieces inside this wall or whatever. The goat, the lion, and the other thing. Oh, this flame has something. Has nothing to give except light. See what them goodies are in the base. See what goodies they have. Shotgun and spindle. Steel spindle. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's the butt. So the goat. Let's see. The butt and the lion. Weird.
Wait.
Yeah, going way here. I don't need you to follow me up these stairs. Gonna definitely need that for future battles. Especially for the 2 El Big Guy battles. El Gante, yeah.
Follow me. Wait. Follow me.
Boy, this is some castle. Beautiful background too. Boy, just handgun, there's just ammo everywhere, all over this castle. Yeah, this is a beautiful castle. Such a waste though that is used for evil. Flashbang, yeah, gonna need that too. Even though I hardly use them. Okay, that's the last little gem for the mask. More velvet blue. And more spindle. I guess we'll go right first. Yeah, we'll go right first. Oh, okay, the merchant inside that door. But I ain't gonna go to him yet till I clear
Wait.
both areas. Wouldn't be Resident Evil without pushing. Too bad there's no boxes though. That's probably the one thing is also missing. No boxes. We're pushing, but there's no boxes.
Follow me.
Before I enter, pop these things up here. Wow, I can't believe I hit the other one. I couldn't even see it.
I think you've lived long enough.
You have?
Let's see if you can survive this time.
Oh, really? Stop getting hysterical, bitch. Wow, that's some trap to start, then just stop. Two. 3 for 3. Come on, give me something now. Ah, come on. Dude. Headshots. Oh, I ain't get a headshot on that guy. Shot him in the shoulder, he got lucky. elegant chessboard. I think Leon might be a millionaire. I mean, you know, after all this shit, yeah, he should definitely be a millionaire. All that money, all that gold, ammo, the guns, shit. And that nigga ain't got that nigga part of him retired as soon as he got back. And you know, I'm gonna retire from being an agent. You know, see you later, guys. Gonna put this in the red and green. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna see if I can kill him with the sniper rifle. Well, I ain't gonna kill him. I'm gonna try to pop out their head with the sniper rifle. I'm gonna throw flashbangs at him. Ah, I thought I could kill it. See what kind of goodies we got in this area besides the Holy Grail. Shotgun ammo. I already got enough of that already. I ain't used my shotgun in a while. Yeah, I could do some more herb. May wrath of evil befall the one who shall disturb the Holy Grail. May evil come and kill me. Not killing me. We're evil. We're coming to kill you. Ah! The evil has smited me with the axe. I must run around in circles to get clear shot of the one whose head has not popped. Hold still, Pinky. Hold still, Pinky. There we go. Let me get young flashbang out from inventory and pop them with young light. Look into the light. I have purified the evil ones and their armor. May they rest in peace. Guess we'll start with you, old buddy. Ah! Miss. Ah! Strong he is with his axe. Asshole. An ass he is. Didn't give me a chance to get away. Ah! I'm trying to... Ah, fuck it. I'm trying to shoot him. Shit! Hold still. Get out the way! Hold still. There we go, good boy. You're chasing me. Hold still, yeah, stay right there. There we go. Bye-bye. Oh, he tried to bite my head off. No head for you today. I'll take that money. Thank you. I have purified the evil ones. Let us leave.
Follow me.
Yes, come follow, young idiot, who's in the way and has no use. Let's go ahead and sell all the goodies we found. Oh yeah, I'm going to combine that purple gem into the mask. Don't forget that. Oh, other way. I'm stupid. And while we're here, I guess we can upgrade our weapons.
Welcome.
Hello there. I'm selling you some
What are
goodies.
you buying?
Oh yeah. I ain't gonna upgrade that no more.
Is that? Thank you.
I ain't gonna do the broken butterfly either. I'm actually
you
gonna sell the
selling?
broken butterfly for the Killer 7.
Is that all straight?
But I'm gonna make use of this ammo in the gun. So yeah.
Is that all? Is that all? Is that? Thank you.
Yeah, gonna say that butterfly lamp. The
Thank
second
you.
one's up ahead anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those eyes for the second lamp.
Come back anytime.
Let us continue.